In this video, let's discuss about the quote surcharges in Quote. To walk you through on how this works, first let's visit product settings from the side panel of the page. Then click on the quote surcharges button. This button is often used if you have an additional charge added to the cost of a product or services. So if you have a surcharge on particular products, you may start by pressing Create a Surcharge Group. This will pull up the surcharge form. Please take note that all mandatory fields should be filled out. Put in the name of the surcharge. The name should reflect when coding, which will help you identify the specific charge added. Then we have here the toggle settings, which are disabled by default. If you wish to apply the surcharge to every code, then toggle this on. Activate the second button if the surcharge should also be applied to your old codes when visited. Depending on your needs, you may also toggle on or off this discount button. Moving forward, the next field we have here is value. Put in the actual amount, let's say $100. Then make sure to select from the drop-down if it's a percentage or a dollar value. So let's use dollar value for now. Of course, we have the surcharge type as well. If you want an additional charge on particular products, then choose product. But if a surcharge will be applied on the total prices regardless of the products, select total instead. So let's do product for now. This will pull up more fields to fill out. You may also apply the surcharge to custom products by toggling this on. Then make sure to assign the surcharge to a company. If you have sub-companies, this is handy since you can select multiple companies in one go. Then of course, we have the brands and categories to select from. As an example, I'm going to select TWC 2022 for brands and roller blinds under categories. Now, if you wish to apply the surcharge to all products under TWC 2022 roller blinds, then you may leave the products blank. But if the additional charge will only be applied to particular products under TWC 2022 roller blinds, then you may select from here. Always click on Save to apply the changes. You can create as many surcharges as you can and they will show up in this list. So that's everything for now. I hope you learned something new in this video. Watch out for our other training videos to get to know Quote better.